How to create Xbox account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that you have downloaded and installed your Xbox account via Play Store. So just tap on Xbox account and then tap on sign in. While signing in, you can use your Gmail address or you can use any of your Microsoft account as well. So here I'm choosing my Gmail account over here to sign in. So just type your email address and then select on next. Now you have to enter your password, or you can also choose the option of email code to your Gmail account. After that you'll get the code and you just need to type your code over here. I've got the code, so I'm just gonna paste the code from my Gmail account that I've received. Now just tap on sign in. Now as you sign in, you need to set up your console, so just tap on setup console and you need to enter the code that is on your TV. So just type on your code that you received on a TV. After that, connect to console and wait until you give access to the location. Now after that, it will connect and search for your device. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.